One hot day, Bunny and her friends harvested lots of carrots. What should we make with these? Bunny wondered. Then, Bunny had a brilliant idea. Let's make cool and sweet carrot ice cream. The friends put on their aprons and gathered all the ingredients. Ready to make it? Carrot ice cream. Here we go!
Carrots, orange and bright. Wash them clean and make them right. Slice them small, chop, chop, chop. Now our carrots are prepped non-stop. Pour the milk, a drop of honey into the blender, isn't it funny? Round and round we spin with glee. Carrot juice is ready. Into the freezer, cold, cold, cold. Waiting feels too long to hold. 1, 2, 3, let's take a peek. Ta-da! Carrot ice cream, cool and sweet. One big bite, then one more. Sweet and healthy we all adore. Share with friends, a smiling crew. Yummy times for me and you. Everyone together come and try this tasty ice cream we made, oh my. Even our animal friends agree. Carrots are the treat for me. Carrot ice cream is the best, a homemade snack that beats the rest. Shout it loud, come on, let's say we loved it. Hooray, hooray! Carrots, carrots, orange and bright. Wash them clean and make them right. Slice them small, chop, chop, chop. Now our carrots are prepped non-stop.